Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce our outdoor LVR equipment. This device is mainly used to raise or lower the terminal voltage. The device is mainly composed of a master and a slave. The master is a rectifier and the slave is an inverter. The working principle is the master converts the device AC 220 volts into DC 740 volts and then uses the line to transmit 740 volts to the slave. The slave converts DC 740 volts into AC 220 to supply power to users. Okay, you can see that we have two devices on set. This is the master and this is the slave. Okay, we set the protection level to IP65 and adopts side air inlet and rear air outlet cooling method. Therefore, when installing, we need to reserve enough space at the air inlet and outlet. Its length is 63 cm, width is 30 and the height is 96 cm, and the whole weight is 80 kilograms. Okay, you can see that the wiring method is downline and we reserve the gland for it. The master and the slave are connected to 4 wires, A, B, C, and N respectively, and then the bus positive and the bus negative of the master are connected to the slave. Okay, now we have powered on the device. You can see that the voltage of the master and the slave are different. Then we enter the parameter setting interface. Click to log in. You can see various user parameters. Here you can see the voltage regulation target. We set it to 740 volts and set the DC reference voltage to 740 volts too. In the upper left corner, you can switch between master and the slave modes here. Then click the next page. The next page is the slave mode. As you can see, the voltage regulation target and the DC reference voltage are both 740 volts, and we set the DC voltage deviation threshold is 50 volts. We set the AC output target volt to 120 volts. Then set MN enable to off, and the 220 volts setting here means that when we turn on the slave, the target volt to be reached is 220 volts. As you can see, there are volts before and after composition as reference. We haven't started the device yet, so the voltage after composition is not displayed. After starting the device, the compensated voltage starts to display. After the parameters are set, we start the device to see the voltage increases in fact. Okay, after the master device starts, the voltage target reaches. When the voltage target reaches 740 volts, the slave device can be started. Okay, you can see the whole effect. There is no need to shut down during normal use. If you need to shut down the device, please stop the slave first and then the master. Thank you.